Welcome to QizArena, the quiz capital of basically the whole world.
Hello, welcome to yet another video tutorial on the QizArena Academy. In today's video tutorial, we will be exploring the QizArena quiz activities. QizArena quiz activity entails all the operations you are required to carry out in order to be able to participate in a quiz exercise hosted by our quiz vendors for whom you are following. On the tutorial outline, we will be looking at a list of things which in the end you should be able to go about your quiz activities seamlessly. The first item on the list being how to join a quiz batch manually. The second item, how to join a quiz batch via the QR code, which is the automatic approach. And then we will be looking at the difference between a quiz vendor QR code slip and a quiz batch QR code slip. Then how to take a quiz, where to get your quiz result, and finally how to claim your quiz reward. So these are the list of items we are going to be exploring in this video tutorial. I will be following through the tutorial outline practically in this section forward. I already have my demo account credentials preloaded into the form. I'm going to tap the login button like so to get me in. So I keep waiting to be authenticated and be redirected to the QizArena user dashboard like so, and then I can see my dashboard features all there. And I recommend, if you have not seen the QizArena user dashboard features video tutorial, find a way to see those video tutorials, as they are fundamental to every tutorial we will be doing. Okay, since we are looking at quiz activities, the first item on the tutorial outline, which is how to join a quiz batch, the manual approach. So to join a quiz batch manually, we have to come through the QizArena main menu like so, and then we have on the second item on the menu the join quiz. So the join quiz item loads this interface that tells us about quiz sign up manager. Follow the form below to participate in upcoming speed quiz contest. There we have a choose quiz vendor category. On the basic, we have the QizArena and we have the affiliates. So these are the two basic quiz vendor categories available on the QizArena project. We have to choose the affiliates. Remember, if you've seen the video tutorial that talks about accessing quiz content, we took the time to explain what quiz vendors are. So if you've not seen accessing quiz tutorial, I highly recommend you take the time to see that video tutorial. Having selected quiz vendor category, from here I'm able to see the quiz vendor I am following. Every quiz vendor I'm following will be listed here. Assuming I'm following like 5 quiz vendors, the 5 quiz vendors will be listed in this drop down component, so I could make a selection of which quiz vendor I want to check out if they posted quiz content at the time. So having selected the quiz vendor category and having chosen my quiz vendor, I tap on this button here like so, and then it loads this other fragment. This other fragment shows a bunch of information about an active quiz. So from here I can see the reward for this quiz batch is 4,500 gyri, and then the qualifiers benchmark and then we have these social media handles here for which you could use to share this quiz badge on your social media platforms, so your friends can also gain awareness and also participate in this quiz badge. And then we have further information about the quiz badge, which is here. The quiz badge name is the household quiz, and the schedule is Wednesday 28 April 2021, 9 a.m. in the morning. And then scrolling down to the right, we have this blinking text that says join quiz, and to join quiz I have to tap this button here, and if you observe above the button we have sign up at 1,550 gyre. What that translates is to participate in this particular quiz badge, I must have a minimum of 1,500 gyre in my QizArena main wallet. These features will be explained in the wallet manager video tutorial. So for the purpose of explaining to you, tapping this button here, it's going to add me to the list of participants for the household quiz badge, like so. I'm asked to confirm quiz sign up, so, and then I get this notice saying please go to menu settings, provide your coordinate, resident country, resident state, and resident LGA. This information is needful to aid streamline regional based quiz activities. So before I can participate in a quiz badge, there is a prerequisite, which is I have to set my coordinate. I have to go to the main menu settings, and then I set up my coordinates. So I'm gonna do that like right away. So I tap on the hamburger icon to reveal the QizArena main menu. Then this is what I'm looking for, the settings. So this is gonna load the user preference form. Settings, provide the required information in the form. Coordinates, I select my coordinate, I select my resident state, then I select my local government of residence, and then my time zone, it's already preset for me. And then we have other settings like quiz preferences, allow image based quiz, which is the default, and then quiz question presentation mode, which could be either flip or cascade. So having set all of that, I can now proceed to tap on the save coordinate quiz preferences button to persist my settings, and then I go back to the dashboard like so. I tap on the hamburger icon again to reveal the main menu, then I tap on the join quiz item like so. I choose quiz vendor category like so, and then I tap this button. Okay, QizArena quiz vendor category, quiz vendor gift bay, no content published by quiz affiliate at this time. So whenever does not publish quiz content, we will be getting this message. But let's choose affiliates, and then the affiliates I'm following, and then I tap here, and then you see there is an active quiz badge, which is this, and then I come here, and then I tap OK, and then I get this message: prevented, you do not have sufficient funds in your wallet to join quiz. So what that means is that from the dashboard at this segment, this is my wallet panel, and in my main wallet I have 0.00 gyre, and also have 0.00 gyre in my cash out wallet. So for me to be able to join a quiz badge, I need to have at least the amount of money that is required to participate in such quiz badge. So I am just going to quickly top up my main wallet so I could process the quiz participation. Alright, I just funded my main wallet with 4,000 Gyre. Then I can now proceed to the join quiz menu so I can complete the quiz participation process. So I slide to the right like so, and then I tap the add me button over here like so, and it pops up this confirm dialog box that asks me to confirm quiz sign up. So tapping the OK button over here is going to approve my decision, and then I wait for the confirmation. Your sign up request has been received successfully. So what that means is that I have been added to the participatory list for this quiz batch. And if you also observe, the button here turns into this text telling me that I'm signed up. This is so that I don't sign up multiple times. So having done that, I have successfully joined a quiz batch. Going by the lesson 5 tutorial outline, the first item being how to join a quiz batch manually, which is what I have been able to illustrate to you in the preceding section of this video tutorial. The second item here is how to join a quiz batch automatically, that is via the QR code. This is what I will be showing you how to go about in the preceding video. But before I venture into showing you how to join a quiz batch using the quiz batch QR code, I like to take the time to explain the difference between a QizArena quiz vendor QR code slip and a quiz batch QR code slip. The quiz batch QR code slip is quite different from the quiz vendor QR code slip, and the difference is basically in the textual composition of the slip. Both bear the QR code, which is an encoded kind of data you might not really understand, but to help us tell the difference here, it's all about the composition, textual composition. On the left here I have the quiz batch QR code, and on the right I have the quiz vendor QR code. The quiz batch QR code begins with the QR code on the topmost section of the slip, followed by some bunch of text that describes the quiz batch, like the quiz vendor, and then the quiz vendor vision statement, then the quiz batch detail, which basically is the title, the schedule, the sign-up fee, the reward, and the max question, and then the social media handles, should in case you want to share quiz batch slip on social media with your friends. And then on the other hand, we have the quiz vendor QR slip, which is by textual composition has the quiz vendor name on top like so, and then the vision statement, and then the QR code. And to further help us identify which slip is which, the quiz vendor QR code slip barcode tends to be larger than the quiz batch QR code slip like so. And then we have the social media handle, the benefits, and the disclaimer. So with these explanations, I believe you will be able to seamlessly identify which slip is which. To join a quiz batch using the QR code slip, what we require first is an active user account and quiz batch QR code slip like so. So with these two materials in hand, what we need to do next is to launch the QizArena integrated QR code scanner by tapping the icon on the far left right corner of the screen, like so. This is going to launch the QizArena integrated QR code scanner, and we could proceed to scan the QR code on the QR code slip, like so. So scanning the QR code slip is going to pick up the barcode information and then process it further. After that, QizArena app has processed the QR code, decoded from the QR code slip. I will be automatically joined to the quiz batch. Earlier on in this video tutorial, I had explained to you and practically shown you how to join a quiz manually and via the QR code slip. In this remaining section of this video tutorial, I am going to be guiding you the process of taking a quiz. Having signed up to a quiz batch, when you navigate back to your QizArena user dashboard, on the topmost, this panel, active quiz panel, will be displayed to us. This active quiz panel informs us that we have an active quiz for which we have signed up for, and to take this quiz we have to tap the bell icon here, which is one way of taking a quiz. And the other way of taking a quiz is by coming to the QizArena main menu and then tapping on the take quiz menu item, like so. So this is going to load up this page that presents the information of the quiz batch for which we are registered to take. The information here is the quiz vendor, which speaks about the affiliates, and then the quiz vendor name, then the quiz batch name, the household quiz, the quiz activates at exactly, then it's the schedule, then the reward for the quiz here is 45,000 gyre, and then the quiz status. Had it been the schedule time for this quiz batch was not due, this button here would have been replaced with a countdown timer that would be counting down till the quiz activation schedule is due, and then it would display this take quiz button. But since the quiz schedule time is already due, and the purpose of this video tutorial is to guide you on how to take a quiz, so we will just proceed to the quiz activity area by tapping the take quiz button, like so. So this loads the quiz activity area, and there are some items here I like you to see. On the topmost, I have the quiz question panel, which contains the question and then some options for which you are to choose the correct option only. For example, the question 1 here says a family where the father is married to many wives is called. The first item is unholy family, second item is polygamous family, third family is holy family, fourth option is good family. Then I have to select the appropriate answer to this question, and then I move forward to the next question. Who is the head of a nuclear family? I take an option. Female children in the family are generally called. I pick an option that is consistent with the question. The part of the house where food is cooked is called. I pick an option. What is the basic composition of a nuclear family? I pick an option. And then the final question, male children in a family are generally called. I pick an option. And then I have this other panel. Click the button below to submit your answer. So tapping on this button is going to submit all my answered questions. Then I wait after submitting, and then it loads this page, real-time quiz activity reporter. What this interface does is that it shows me my finish time, it shows me the points I've gained, then in my reward, am I eligible for a reward, and here shows qualified. Had it been I wasn't eligible for reward, it would show disqualified. Then it shows my name, my user code and my name, and then my coordinates. So this is going to progressively show as participants all over the world are submitting their quiz progress. It will collectively show their quiz finish time, their points, and then their reward. Another thing I'd like you to note is that whenever you complete a quiz session, an email will be sent to your registered email containing a message in respect to your performance in the quiz exercise. For example, I just got this email message after I had concluded my quiz exercise, and the email message contains the information about the quiz batch, and then tells me, congratulations James Bondi Jr., you won. First of all, we'd like to seize the opportunity to thank you for participating in the QizArena quiz activity, etc. In respect to my status, had it been I did not qualify for in the quiz exercise, the email message I would have received would have been different from this, and it will also generally contain the answers to the questions I did not get correctly. The next thing I would like to show you in this tutorial session is having successfully completed a quiz exercise. Where do I see my quiz result? And that we can do by coming to the main menu like so, and then the fourth item on the main menu items list is my quiz result. Tapping here is going to load an interface that presents to me my cumulative quiz exercise result like so. So I could just slide to the right like so to see the status. So here the quiz batch, and then the quiz schedule time, and then the time I finished, the points I gained, and then my reward. Payout 45,000 Jaire, and then payout status, payout date, and then the quiz activity. So tapping to load the quiz activity status statistics like so, where I can see everybody that participated in the same quiz exercise and every other information pertaining to their coordinates, their reward, their point, etc. So I go back to my quiz result. So now that I've been able to access my quiz result, I want you to note one very important thing, which is the last item on our tutorial outline, and that is claiming your quiz reward. The quiz batch promised us a reward of 45,000 Jaire, and having qualified for the quiz exercise, I have been granted the reward. So for me to have access to this fund, I have to tap this button here to propagate this 45,000 Jaire to my cash out wallet, so I can proceed to transfer it to my local bank account. So I tap on it like so, and then I get this dialog that asks me to confirm cash price transfer to wallet. So I tap the OK button, and then I get this message, transfer successful. You can now encash your winning from your cash out wallet to your bank account. Then I also receive an email here telling me transferred quiz reward of 45,000 Jare from the household quiz, and then gives me some references like so. So having done that, I have to go back to the dashboard by tapping the QizArena logo or tapping the home icon here like so, and then I scroll down to my wallet. You see, I now have a 45,000 Jare in my cash out wallet. So what that translates is that I can tap here to go to the payout module, and then I transfer this 45,000 Jare to my local bank account. Having said and done all that is contained in the tutorial outline, I have been able to cover the following topics: how to join a quiz using the manual approach, how to join a quiz using the QR code, how to take a quiz, how to find your quiz result, and how to claim your quiz reward. That will be all for this tutorial session.